Good morning to all. Today our chapter, that is chapter number 18, volume and surface area of 3D solid, especially cube and cuboid I will discuss today. How to find out volume of cube, how to find out volume of cuboid, total surface area of a cuboid, diagonal of a cube and cuboid. Okay, individual I will discuss. Let me discuss some formula required for cube and cuboid. In case of cuboid, length, breadth, height are unequal. This is a 3D figure. Total surface area of a cuboid formula is 2 whole into LB plus BH plus HL square units. The volume of a cuboid formula is length into breadth into height cubic meter. And diagonal of a cuboid, the formula is diagonal of a cuboid formula is L square plus B square plus H square ka root over. This is all about the formula required for total surface area, volume and diagonal of a cuboid. In case of cuboid, this is the length, this is the breadth, this is the height. If the length, breadth, height will be equal to each other, then this will be converted to cube. Then how to find out total surface area of cube and volume and diagonal? Let me discuss. Just see. First of all, see a cuboid in which length, breadth and height are equal to each other. It's called a cube. Total surface area of a cube of side with side A unit will be 6A square unit, and volume of a cube with side A unit is equal to A cube cubic unit. Next, length of the diagonal of a cube with side A unit is equal to root 3 into side root 3A unit. This is all about the surface area and volume of a cube where length, breadth, height are equal to each other. Okay, and the lateral surface area of a cuboid or room is formula 2 whole into LB 2 whole into L plus B into H. 2 whole into L means length plus breadth whole into H. H means height of the room. This is the area of four walls of a room or lateral surface area. Area of the four walls of a room means lateral surface area of the cuboid. Area of four walls of a room, that is the sum of the four vertical faces. Formula will be 2 whole into L plus B into H square unit, where L means length, LBH are respectively length, breadth and height of the roof. Now come to the exercise, that is exercise number 18. Just to see exercise number. Question number 1. Today we discuss 1 to 5. Very fast to do. A square room means length breadth equal 4 meter high, height given 4 meter, length breadth not given, means equal to each other. That is square room 4 meter high contains 1296 cubic meter, volume given, and the length of the room. That is the length of the room x, the breadth also will be x. Okay, length, breadth if you got are equal, the area of the base will be, formula will be x square. Just see how to solve question number 1. Exercise 18. Okay, today date is 28 9 21 28 September 2021. Let the length of the room be x. As it is a square room, area of the base will be x square. Now volume of the square room means capacity, formula will be area of the base into height. Area of the base is x square into height means given 4 meter. 4x square equal to 1296, divide 4, it is coming 324. X square equal to 324, x will be square root of 324 means 18. Square root of 324 is 18. Therefore length of the room is equal to 18 meter. Question number 2 completed. Let us go question number 2. Question number 2. Find the total surface area of a cubical block containing 343 cubic centimeters. Means volume given, you have to find the total surface area. Just how to see. First of all, you see volume of the cubical block. It is given 343 centimeter cube. Volume of the cubical block formula will be side whole cube equal to 343. Side will be cube root of 343. That will be 7. Height will be 7 centimeters. And you have to find the total surface area of the cubical block. Total surface formula is 6 into side whole square. 6 into 7 whole square means 49. It is coming 294 centimeter square. In this way, question number 1, 2 complete. Let us go question number 3. Question number 3, it is given a solid stack measuring 20 meter by 15 meter by 6 meter means length, breadth, height of the solid stack given. You can find easily volume, length and breadth and height, that is all are in meter given. Contains 12 lakh bricks. Number of bricks given. Each of the brick measuring 25 centimeter means length 6 meter thick. Width of the brick not given. Okay, this is the question. Just see how to solve. First of all, we see length of the stack given 20 meter means 2000 centimeter. Breadth given 15 meter means 15 into 100, 1500 centimeter. And height given 6 meter means 6 into 100, 600 centimeter. Number of bricks given 12 lakh. Let the width of the each brick be x centimeter. These are all centimeter given. Therefore, volume of one brick is will be length into breadth into height. 25 into 6 into x, 150 x centimeter cube. Therefore, you have to convert length, breadth, height of the stack into centimeters. Okay. Now, according to question, volume of stack will be equal to volume of total number of bricks. The volume of stack formula is what? Length 2000 into breadth 1500 into height 600 is equal to volume means total number of bricks, that 12 lakh into volume of one brick 150 x. Easily you can find x dividing 12 lakh and 150 is coming 10 centimeter. Therefore, width of each brick is equal to 10 centimeter. In this way, question number 3 complete. Let us go question number 4. Question number 4, it is given a cubical container contains 3375 liters, means volume given, capacity given 3375 liters of water. Find the length of each edge of the container. You have to convert liter into meter. 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter, means you have to divide. Dividing 1000 you will get meter cube. Just see. Capacity of cubical container given 3375 liter. Dividing 1000 it will be meter cube. Therefore, length of each edge will be square root of 3375 by 1000. It is coming 15 by 10 means 1.5 meter. Okay. 3375 root over is 15 and 1000 root over is 10. In this way, question number 4 also completed. Question number 5. Question number 5, it is given a rectangular solid is twice as long as its breadth. So let the breadth be x. The length of the rectangular solid will be 2x. And its height is 3/4, means 3 by 4th of its breadth. So let the breadth be x, we have taken the 3/4, 3x by 4. The volume given 324. Find its dimension, means length, breadth, height you have to find out. Let's see question number 5. And this is the last question for today's class. See question number 5. Volume of rectangular solid. It is given 324 meter cube. The length according to question it will be twice of breadth. Okay, twice of breadth means 2x. If you take, let the breadth be x. Height will be 3/4, 3 by 4 of breadth, 3x by 4. Now volume formula is what? L into B into H, length into breadth, 2x into x into 3x by 4. 2 to the 4, 3 by 2 xs cube, 3 by 2 xs cube is the volume. So according to question, 3 by 2 xs cube equals 324, xs cube will be just multiplying 2 and dividing 3, 108 into 2, 216. Xs cube is equal to 216. Therefore, x will be cube root of 216. It will be how much? 6, no doubt. The length will be 2x, 2 into 6, 12 meter. Breadth is equal to x, that is 6 meter. And height is equal to 3x by 4, that is 3 into 6 by 4. 18 by 4 means divided by 2, 9. Sorry, 9 by 2 means 4.5 meter. In this way, question number 5 complete. Okay. Thank you for today's class. Next day I will do. Today date is 28/09/21. Okay. Try to practice next 5 steps. Okay. Thank you for today's class.